replacer. Last time we used coconut oil, and this might actually do that.
Well, for coconut oil, you would use aquafaba, which is the liquid off of the chicken. This is for baking, so it works a lot better. So we're going to need a tablespoon of flax egg. Put it there. No, in there. It has to be a full tablespoon. Sure, why not? That works. And then we're going to need 3 tablespoons of hot water. And that's the full shot glass worth.
It's 3 tablespoons.
Correct. And then you just pour, you just pour that in.
Most of it's on the table.
That's okay.
Hey,
Give
Josh,
it a mix around.
Looks like I was cooking over here.
That's usually what I would do.
Yeah.
You can just put that in the sink.
That's hot.
That's disgusting.
Zena, Christ. I'm just kidding. I want to take that. We'll edit that part. Right,
Okay. So this has to sit for about 10 minutes before we use it. So we're just going to sit that to the side for now. And we're going to start by creaming our butter and our sugar together.
All right.
I believe. Yeah.
Also, I see you use the vegan buttery sticks.
You mean Earth Balance?
Earth Balance vegan buttery sticks. I love that.
Yes, I do. I use it for everything.
You could actually eat those things just plain.
I mean, you could probably do that
Almost.
with like non-vegan butter too, but it'd be probably even worse than doing it with vegan butter.
I noticed with the vegan butter, I don't know what I'm saying.
I don't know what you're saying either.
We'll cut that.
That's it. Can you throw that away for me?
Oh yeah.
All right, so we are going to start by putting our mixer on, and we're going to start creaming the butter. We're going to let this get nice and airy, and while it's doing this, we're going to add 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar.
This is what I do in the kitchen as well. I kind of stand
Just
and watch, and then she does it all, and then I clean up.
Well, it's a good way to learn.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, you want to measure out 1 cup?
1 cup? Or
That's enough.
it's very important to use dry ingredients in dry cups.
You
Or-
can just stick the whole thing in there and get it in. You don't
well,
have to use the
I
spoon.
add water in this, so I don't want to mess up your sugar. Right?
Thank you.
Or can I just,
Oh boy,
sometimes you just get impatient.
that's a bold move. That's
Right to the top?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
wow.
Look at that, Josh.
That's why you're the
Look
host.
at that, John.
Very nice.
Zena.
And then you can just pour it in there.
Is this brown sugar?
Correct. I'm going to pause this for a second.
I don't want to get rid of
It's very important when cooking with brown sugar that you pack the brown sugar into the cup.
That's the best part.
because it's pretty gelatinous.
Not gelatinous, it's very dense and it
That's what I mean.
needs to form to its mold.
Yeah.
Ew.
Like I said, very dense.
It's almost kind of gelatinous.
Then
Right, it is. So Josh, what do you do for a living or for fun?
I just draw stuff on a computer at the same place she works
you do?
at, so I'm not allowed to talk about it.
Top secret?
Yep. Just like everything, man.
I understand.
Yep. What do you do?
Turn it on a high speed to whip it so that it creams it better. You want to make sure that everything is combined.
Yeah. Well, I'm in school right now.
Nice.
I'm studying vegan culinary arts.
That's pretty cool. So you're taking your work home with you then?
Well, this is the school. We started a school, and I'm in the student.
That makes sense. There's one student.
That's it. Well, no, we have to get everybody out there all over the world
Oh, okay.
enjoying vegan cooking.
I hope everyone goes vegan eventually because that would be the ideal.
Yeah.
It'd be so easy to find vegan mac and cheese. You wouldn't have to go to Holy Hound.
But who doesn't want to go to Holy Hound?
Very true.
I do love Holy Ham.
They are very good. I've had their pumpkin beer before. It was seasonal. Superb. All right. Pause for 1 second while I look at the rest of the recipe.
All my recipes are right up here, she says.
Can I have a big bowl, please?
Yeah. This one? Or this one?
Okay, so in this bowl, we are going to need to combine all of our dry ingredients, and then we're going to add them in at one time. It says you should sift it, but you don't have to. So we want to add a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we are going to need 2.5 cups of flour. It's very important when using flour. This you don't want to pack it in, so you want to be able to scoop it into your measuring cup like so.
Is that because you want little air pockets in there too?
You want it to be fluffy.
Right.
That is very fluffy.
Yes, I know. Beautiful fluffiness.
Yes, it is.
I forgot chewing gum. We edit out all these slow moments out.
I don't need that anymore. I don't need this anymore.
Oh, it's super
terrible
heavy.
now.
Yeah. Whew. That's
It is.
see, because it was packed. That's the problem. This was packed
right,
in. It's not airy. There you go. See.
It's not very fluffy.
For you.
Beautiful. So now I'm just going to scrape down the bowl a little bit so that we get everything together here at the bottom.
I guess the good thing about vegan batter is you can eat it and not worry about the raw eggs getting you sick, right?
Yep.
Yes. And when I first made this recipe, Josh ate a lot of it raw.
I did.
And then he realized it was even better cooked.
Oh,
It's probably great raw too, but
it is really good raw. I'm not gonna lie.
when I was a kid, my mom would cook and I would lick the batter. And then I would just eat the raw dough, and then for the next week I had salmonella.
Yeah, because
For the next week, it's salmonella.
I might still have it, I don't know. But at least we know in here there's no salmonella.
there shouldn't be.
We hope.
Yeah.
Well, technically it could be in the flour, and if you eat romaine lettuce recently.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That was E. coli, wasn't it?
Well, nobody likes
I don't
romaine.
remember.
Nobody likes romaine anyway.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's the real.
So as an HVAC operator, you must know a lot about temperatures and what is a good temperature to store food at, and what's a good temperature to cook food at, and
Yes.
things like that.
In this, we want to cook at 350 degrees, and our oven is already preheated for that.
Well, I live in Baltimore, and sometimes my room gets to be 350 degrees.
I don't think it got that hot. You'd probably melt.
Yeah. Well, it feels like it.
Yeah, yeah.
You
It's
should
Baltimore,
probably call your
so.
maintenance technician then.
Okay, let's cut for a second.
Okay, cut.
Uh,
How we doing?
we're good.
Oh boy.